Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and some Bitcoin proxies. Let you guys know that I'm pretty sure that we're in a pretty decent fourth wave bounce on a lot of these, but we've had massive bounces like Mara has gone up 18% on all these proxies of Bitcoin, if you will. Miners, MicroStrategy, Coinbase is up like 10%, and a lot of people are getting excited. But let's go over MicroStrategy. I'm still checking this out, guys. You know, here it is on the weekly chart. I'm still expecting MicroStrategy possibly can make a move, something like that. Okay. To finish this off. I wouldn't, could it be done? It could, but I'm still expecting something like that for MicroStrategy for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish off this diagonal. I think with Mara too, it's the same thing. I think Mara is in a bounce also too, guys, to swing back up and then swing back down, back around. Okay. So that's what I'm checking out with that coin. And then the BTC dominance, a lot of people keep going over that. And all the ones keep expecting this to do a moonshot up to 70%. I really don't think it's going to do that. Okay. I really don't. I think we're going to have a pretty good altcoin season as long as you're in the right altcoins that are ready to rock and roll, kind of like, say, Quant. Matic would probably be another good. They're already in bullish sequence. So when they go down to correct, and they maintain that their previous low, right? And Bitcoin goes down, boom, and it's in a bottom. Those will be able to go off into a wave, and Bitcoin won't have to move too much. That's kind of what I'm expecting here. But the dominance chart here on the weekly, this is down, and to me, this is a three-way move up until proven otherwise. So I'm expecting this, and then it might go a little bit higher. I'm expecting another wave down here, guys. So that's kind of how I'm looking at it with this. Is 1, 2, 3. This is a massive fourth wave, and then it could have a wave. So I'm thinking that you have a good shot that the dominance is going to go down. It could be signaling. Now this is I haven't subtracted the stable coins too, so this is a little misleading data. Okay, so I'm still expecting some altcoins to do really, really well, guys. I think it's going to surprise some people. It's going to be interesting to see. Just to say that. Now also too, I wanted to go over Bitcoin with you guys and show you that the more than likely what Bitcoin put in was a flat, guys. So Bitcoin put in a flat. It's already got rejected right off there. And this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably went up there in some sort of diagonal type move. You see that fourth wave went on right on top of that first wave and then went up and rejected it. So more than likely this whole area was a flat, and Bitcoin could be prepping to make its way down here, guys. So I was looking to get in some shorts on Solana. Solana didn't hit my targets, but then I was looking at, I got it near protocol instead at just like $1.60 or something like that, because somebody showed me it on the internet. Let me take a look at that. Today was a really good day to be paying attention. There was a lot of good setups on the short side, guys, in my opinion, even here with Bitcoin probably. But down here, and then I think it's getting itself prepped ready to start making a swing down here. Here's the evidence you can see right here. Okay. It's RSI is well above that area. It's kind of even. It did break it a little bit, but you have a pretty decent signal of some hidden bearish divergence right here, guys. I'm looking at telling you the trend is going to continue down that way, and still looking for price targets right down in this area, guys. About 14,500, plus or minus 2,000 either way. Okay. I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll go over these other coins too. I'm looking at GBTC. I know there's been a lot of news, a lot of news about GBTC, the ETH, the grayscale, this great grayscale. This one here is, I'm paying attention to this one because obviously you can see with ETH grayscale. Now, this one, you can't use it as a proxy for Ethereum because this one goes nothing like what Ethereum does. It'll go up when Ethereum goes up, but also can go down 40% while Ethereum goes up. So I back tested it, and it has no correlation to Ethereum whatsoever, guys. So, but I'm still curious to watch this asset to see what it's going to do. But I'm not really saying that that's going to be this. To me, looks like a fourth wave bounce. I'm still expecting Ethereum grayscale to get down into that box. Okay, just real quick on that one, and then here with grayscale, Bitcoin is let me get on the 45-minute chart because there's a lot. It makes a mess down into this area. Is that it's making? I think it's finishing off a 5-wave move. So it's a 1, 2. This was the 3. Yeah, here's the 3, and this whole thing's a 4, kind of like Bitcoin. And then this is going to be going down. is what I'm expecting. And then, like when Bitcoin's going to be going down. Okay. Let me put it on micro for you so you can see the numbers a little bit better instead of Roman numeral numbers. So 1, 2, and this whole thing's the 4 in this area. Make kind of like a flat, like some weird type of flat in there. And it makes sense to me that these are flats. So same thing with Bitcoin and in here, because flats they're made, not made, but what should I say? They take up time. Flats can take a lot of time. Okay. Especially when they're just flat like that. You can see like right here how it's kind of a little bit flat. So it might come up and hit it a little bit, but it's sort of kind of flat. They're usually not perfect, but you can see kind of like that. It's kind of like a flat, like this right there, and then come back down to the trend. And I'll go to a 4-hour chart. This is where you want to pay attention to grayscale is that trend line right there. You don't want to see candle bodies below that. It'd be a bad signal for grayscale. Went over it. Bitcoin Trust went over it previously, and then probably is going to be like, okay, what's going on with it type thing. But I'm just paying attention to it because of Proxy. I want to see this correction for it if perhaps it's going to get finished with grayscale. Let me go to weekly and I'll show you. Down in this area. It still has bullish divergence on the weekly, which is a good signal for this asset too. If you made all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.